Welcome back to Gags Kitchen Wednesday episode where I share quick, easy and yummy recipes. Today I'm making something super easy, quick and healthy, refreshing Greek salad with feta cheese. It's light, colorful and absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it on its own or as a side. So let's get started. For this recipe, you will need some lettuce. I'm using 6 to 7 fresh green leaf lettuce leaves along with leftover iceberg that has about 10 to 12 small leaves, but you can simply use 6 to 7 fresh leaves. Wash the greens thoroughly and drain all the excess water using a salad spinner or just patting them dry. This step is important, otherwise the salad can turn soggy and lose its crunch. Once the greens are ready, chop the lettuce and iceberg into pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Next, slice a small onion and add that in. I'm also using colorful bell pepper, red, yellow and green. Cut them, remove the seeds and the middle portion, wash them well, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Well, when I first cut the bell peppers, they didn't come out to be exactly half, so I'm adding a few extra slices of each pepper. It didn't look enough, so added a bit more. Once done, put all the bell peppers into the mixing bowl. Now take one medium-sized English cucumber, cut it in half, then into the bite-sized pieces, then add the cucumber into the mixing bowl. Finally, the star ingredient, feta cheese. I'm using 100 grams of feta cheese. You can cut it into small cubes or simply crumble it into chunks. My feta cheese packet was left outside the fridge, so it's a little soft and sticky, but it works perfectly fine. Add the feta into the bowl and now we are ready to make the salad dressing. In a small jar or a bowl, add juice of half lemon, pinch of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of honey, and freshly cracked black pepper. Now mix everything well until smooth and blended. And your dressing is ready. You can pour this directly over the salad, or if you prefer a slightly thicker version, add 2 drops or about 1 teaspoon of mustard mayo. This step is completely optional. Once ready, pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything until evenly coated. You can also sprinkle in a little flaky salt if you like, then give it a mix. Oh, and I almost forgot, don't miss out on adding few black and green olives. Give it all one last gentle mix and your salad is ready to serve. And that is a fresh, colorful and healthy Greek salad with feta cheese. Crunchy, tangy and absolutely delicious. It pairs beautifully with any meal and is one of my absolute favorite with grilled chicken on my weekends. Do give it a try and let me know how you liked it. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching Gags Kitchen. See you next time.